Given that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and choose to be an accountant because it's safe in the business.
Hello my lovely and beautiful nail friends, welcome back to a new video. So in this video I wanted to show you some cute ass stickers I got. But first, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Louise, and if you didn't subscribe yet, please do, right there. And if you're at it, give this video a thumbs up, and if you don't want to miss out on any of my videos, please hit that little bell and you will be notified when I upload a video. So I did this set last time with some cute butterfly decals from She Modern, and on this hand I have my Model 1 set and it rocks amazing, but I want to change up the design so I can match this hand. Well, not completely matching, but I want to stay in the butterfly theme, and we are going to use my Belle efile to take everything off. But first I want to show you something, because I found these amazing stickers on Aliexpress and they are so freaking cute. So we have a pack like this, and you can see the butterflies here. They look so freaking cute. So here we have the holographic one. We've got a silver, a red, a gold, an orangey red, a darker blue, a pink, a greenish color, a purple, an orange, a light pink, a lighter blue, a light orange, and this is a yellowish white one, a blue with pink, really cool, and a beautiful pink one. And I thought these were amazing because the butterflies are really big, so I can't wait to use them on my nail. And the wings of the butterflies are in two pieces, so you can put one piece on one nail and the other one on the other. I also got them in this multicolored ones, and I will leave the links for these stickers down below because they are freaking cute. Look at that, these are the multicolored ones. I love this marble one, and this pink marble one looks so freaking cute. And the ones that I'm gonna use in this set today are these, and these are the neon ones. And I'm not sure if these are hollow or glow in the dark or something. I really hope so, because I'm gonna use the glow in the dark polish as well. So here I took one off so you can see how it looks. But we have a yellow one and a really nice hot orangey one. We've got a purple one, a green one, and this one is blue, but this one is shiny and the rest is matte. And the color I want to use is this hot pink one, and it shows a little bit orange, but it is hot pink. But first, what we are going to do is take this set off, and we are going to start with our stones. And I found this cute of this nipper on Aliexpress, and it's amazing to take off your gems. They take them off so freaking easy. And also for this one I will leave a link down below. So I will speed up this part of the video. I'm just taking off my gems with this one, and then I'm gonna take off the top coat and the glitter gel polish, so we have our base color. And I will do that with this sanding band with the Belle efile. So be right back. So here we have our filed nails, and I just went and washed my hands. So let me see if I have tweezers. There we go. But I think my pink doesn't match with this pink, unfortunately. Well, maybe I can rock this, but we will see. And this is the glow in the dark, so hopefully this one is too. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna stick them on this and then top coat them, or I need a sticky layer to put the stickers on. So we are going to try it on a dry nail. Let me see, it's hard to see where the stickers are. I think we have all of them. So now we have to try and get this one on my nail. Let me see. Ooh, gorgeous. It's a little bit too big for my nail. We take our scissors and try to cut this part. Now I want to see how it looks with the base top coat on here. So I'm feeling the sides of the nail, so I'm buffing this up and put another layer of top coat. Oh no, I'm already ripping everything off. I'm destroying this butterfly right now. No. I will get the smaller one. Oh my god. Let's take it all off. There we go. And I think we are going to start all over again. Maybe I should paint my nails pink first and see from there on what we are going to do. So I decided to do something else. We are going to make a rainbow design out of it. So we are going in with another layer of purple, pink and orange. And then for these two nails we will use the green and the blue. or green and yellow. I think green and yellow will be nice, these two. So we will create a rainbow design. That would be so much fun. So let me go in for the second layer, and also I put base coat on these two to see if that will work a little bit better. So the two layers are on, so let me see if I can make it work this time. So we are going to start with our yellow. And we are going for the smaller butterfly so it will fit my nail. There we go, and let me top coat it before I'm gonna ruin it again. And I really think you need to put this on a white background to make it pop. In the lamp you can see it looks really pretty, but it fades away against this background right here. So we are going to try the green one, and now I have to take the right one. So here is my rainbow set right here, and because they fade away in my nail, I think you need to put them on a white background. If you have any thoughts on how to make these work, please let me know. I'm always in for feedback, and also if you like these stickers, I will leave the link for you guys down below so you can check them out yourself. But I'm really curious to see if they will glow in the dark, because the color like this is a little bit disappointing because they are so bright on the sticker file, but that's because there's a white background here, so I think that's the point. But we are going to check together if they will glow in the dark. So let me put that down the light and I will be right back. So that was one light. And now for the other ones. Don't be scared, I'm still here. They don't glow in the dark. Oh my god. Let me see what it does when I put them in the lamp. They will glow with black light and UV light. So in my lamp they shine really bright, and these polishes do glow in the dark, but my camera doesn't pick that up, so that's unfortunately. But these will shine with UV and black light, so that's really nice. So for now I'm gonna say thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you think about these kind of videos that I'm testing stickers out, making mistakes, doing designs with certain stuff and products. Please let me know what kind of nail designs you really want to see, so I can do them for you, and also let me know what you think of these. So for now I'm gonna say thank you so much for watching. Hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians. The truth to be